All right, folks. After we did the accuracy test, uh, we decided to come here into the woods to look for some early morel mushroom. Okay, so this is the season, but I guess here in Missouri, they're out, but they're not out as we should expect it. But yeah, it's still an early season. I guess the majority of the peak season will be sometime this upcoming weekends or towards the let's say towards the end of this month of April. So let's see if we can find any. Okay. Oh, you found one?
Is it right here?
Oh yeah, that is. That's it right there. Oh, all right, guys, gals. Oh, we found one.
Yeah.
Right here. Okay. This is the I think the gray one. Okay, it's a morel mushroom, and my wife is gonna harvest it. And hold on for a sec. Let me get her the knife. There you go.
This is hard to find.
Yeah, they're very hard to find. Well, it's
one.
been only like 5 minutes. I drained the search, so she spotted one, and oh yeah, it's a very nice one, and it's very tender. So, well, guys and gals, I hope we can find some more, and yep, we'll update you of the status as we progress. And yeah, I'm thinking maybe just like at least 6 more or 7 more. So that's all we want right there. But the more the better, though. But let's see what happens. Let's see how lucky we are. All right, guys, stay tuned, and let's see what happens. Yeah, let's follow this ridge up and see if we can find some more. All right, guys and gals, it's been 15 minutes after we spot that small one, and yeah, so far we only harvest that big one. And let's see if we can find some more here. This is how the land is laid out. We're on top of this peak over here, and this direction right here is going down. So yeah, let's see if we can get some more. We normally find a lot in this area, and this is kind of like a semi honey hole. Oh, you found one? Where? Oh, there it is. All right, guys. Oh, my wife found it right there. There's one right here.
It's so big.
And here's one down here. Man, like I mentioned it, this is kind of like a semi honey hole for us up here. So we glad they pop out. Okay, so my wife's gonna harvest it. So let me put the shadow around. There it is. And this is how we harvest it. We cut it from the stem. And we when we harvest it, we kind of tap it down too. So assuming that the spore, will distribute around the ground. There it is. Wow. It's a nice eating size. All right, guys. So this will be 1, 2, 3, the third one now. Okay, that we actually harvest. So we gotta be careful. Maybe we won't step on anything. Okay, chụp phun gì nữa lý này bỏ nó dễ bỏ nếu là cái sẽ là all giấy là cho morel mushroom á thay cho nó dễ từ thiệt mua nè. Okay, let's carefully look around us. Normally, if you see 1 or 2 pop, you will see another 3 or 4 somewhere. Oh, you found one? Man, every time when I start saying something, my wife spotted another one. Oh, there it is right there. Man, look at that, guys. It's a beautiful morel mushroom. Oh, man. This is going to be not just an appetizer. It's going to be for dinner. Now we have 5 morel mushroom now.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get some more. Okay, let me see now. Let me see. Oh, there's one right there, Ka. Right there. Oh, okay, I spot one. There it is, guys.
Ooh.
There it is. Look at that. Look at that beautiful mushroom. Look at that. And that's our mushroom knife right here. All right, folks. After we pick up those mushrooms, we spent like around 10 minutes looking at one area. We didn't see any. So we came down here and my wife said that she spotted a couple. So let's see where they are. Okay, you find some?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, okay, there it is. Okay.
One right here.
Whoa.
One right here.
Oh.
And one right here.
Oh, we found three small ones. There it is. Here's one. And here's the second one.
The third one.
And that's the third one right there. So my wife's gonna harvest it.
Yeah,
It's not big ones, but it's big enough to harvest. So yeah, we gotta take the advantage of this early boom right here. So here's one right here. Okay, giờ cứ tí nè.
Be here, see?
Yeah, bé anh
good
lại bé
size.
lu cho morel mushroom gì nè. Okay, nếu mấy mấy ta chỉ mà nếu như chỉnh cái giống nó. Okay, so she's coming this way now. She's gonna harvest one of these. She's gonna harvest this one first. There it is. And here's one right here. So she's gonna harvest this one. Okay, so yep. There you go. Yeah, it's been tough today. We probably there it goes. We got a full bag, but we'll show you over there when we get to the car. But as I was saying, yeah, we spent around like 2 hours or a little bit more than 2 hours. But anyway, we found enough, for dinner, and but we gotta continue searching until we hit back to the car. So yeah, there's another spot, like a honey hole that we always go to. So after this, we probably gotta go check that spot, and if we can't seem to find any there, then we probably gotta hit back home. Hi guys and gals. It's been 2 hours or more, probably almost 3 hours. This is all we found, okay? And I'll show you what we got. There you go. This is what we got. This is the biggest one that we harvest, and this is the smallest one that we harvest. And we have about like 10 of these morel. So it's enough for us to make some morel soup, okay? So we get to hit back home now, and when we get home, we'll turn them into morel mushroom soup, and I'll show you guys how we do it. And yeah, I guess we see you back in the kitchen, and see how we get to prepare this. And yep, I guess this is just like the pre-season, so it's just beginning to pop. So I'm thinking this upcoming weekend will be a lot better than today, but I guess it's just the area that I'm searching. It probably doesn't have a lot of morel, so but we'll be back next week. Until then, I'll see you in the kitchen, okay? All right, guys and gals, welcome back. Right now we are home and we're in the kitchen. We just got home like a few hours ago, but anyway, as promised, come over here. I'm gonna show you a quick thing of how I prepare my morel mushroom, okay? And I already pre-cut these, and these are the ones that we harvest earlier this afternoon. And the big ones, I mean the small ones, I just leave it whole like this. And the big ones, I just cut them in half, or like the biggest one, I just cut them in quarters. And it's gonna be a beef stew with morel mushrooms, okay? And basically, we already prepared the beef, and this is a roast. So we just put in a pressure cooker for half an hour to get it nice and tender, and there's no seasoning in here, okay? It's just the roast and water. But here's the spice for it, okay? Got like paprikas and I got like allspice with rice powder. We have a little bit of chili powders for spice, and of course fried garlic, and I have some fresh herbs here, right? Okay. From this point on, I will be stir frying everything together. It'll take a while, so I'm gonna put it fast forward, and yep, sit back and enjoy the music. All right, so it's gonna be like maybe 20 minutes until it kind of like get all concentrated. So basically, we just wanted to make sure that this soft sauce right here turns into a gravy-like texture. This is how it looks like, the final product. So basically, it's very simple to plate it. There you go. Here's a part of the rib bones right here. And we would get some mushrooms. Here's the mushroom. Some piece of roast right here. Yeah, there you go. And this is what we want, kind of like a gravy texture, nice and thick. And here's a mushroom. And let's find this. Yeah, there you go. Here's the single one. And after that, then you just take some cilantro and some green onions and use it as a garnish. There you go, guys, gals. It's very simple to do, okay? So if you have leftover like beef stew or something, then just go ahead and just mix it in with your mushroom. Any kind of mushroom will do. Oyster mushrooms, morel, like this, and just kind of slowly um, cook them until it gets into a gravy texture like this. It's very nice. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope to see you on the next one. Okay. All right. Oh.